Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel. And today we are doing an unboxing for Renewed Man, Grooming Style Company. I did an unboxing for them a few months ago when they first hit the market with, they just had beard balms. So I gave them some feedback. It's like, you really need to get some oils in here. That's what the guys in this community, online community, really go for. So he kind of went back behind the scenes, put his head down. Jared, the owner, did. And he's really done a lot of research and he's come out with some new things, and I'm really excited to try these out. I didn't know he was sending them to me. It kind of came up and through some messages and stuff on Instagram that this was coming. So very excited about that, and I'm not sure what's in here, but it's really heavy, so there may be a lot of stuff. We'll have to check and see. All right, so I got the box open, ready to rock and roll here. He had a sheet in there especially for me, giving me some information so I can share with you guys. But look at this unboxing, guys, unboxing experience, okay? It's gotta be one of the best on the market already. Let me pick up my stuff I dropped here. So over the next month, I'm gonna be doing some of my favorites videos. I've tried to do some things a little bit unique. One of them is gonna be for me, doing a video of my top unboxings, the companies I think have really good presentations, because that's always part of the fun experience, right? If you spend your money, you want the whole experience to be good. The shipping, the packaging, the presentation, the products obviously is the most important, but it's all fun. So I have a feeling that the Renewed Man Beard Company is gonna be on that list for sure. So there's a little thank you card in there. And then look at this pamphlet, guys. The graphic design, the presentation. It's got information about their beard balms and their beard oils and how to apply it, and 365-day money-back guarantee. So something to be interested in. Just high quality, ready to go into any retail establishment already, okay? So I think Jared and his wife has some really high aims, and I think they can do it in 2020 for sure. Look at this, I got tons of oil on the top. And when he started researching the oils, he did some research and he came out with something very unique. He's got two different types of oils, okay? They have some of the same ingredients as far as their base. If I remember right, let me see what we've got here. So fractionated coconut, argan oil, castor oil, and essential oil blend in both types of oil. And then he's got some other carrier oils in each one specifically. One's for dry or normal skin, and in that one, that's got apricot, almond oil, jojoba oil, and avocado oil. And then he's got one specially for like oily or acne prone skin, and that has additional grapeseed oil, sunflower seed oil, jojoba oil, and meadow foam oil. All right, and actually Jared can do a better job of explaining it than me, so I will put in the link up here or there. I always get it confused which one it is, but I'll put a recent video that Jerry came out with that kind of explains that process and why he's chosen some of those oils, okay? So it does a great job explaining that. And then look at all of these. It looks like most of the ones I see here are, say, for dry or normal skin, which would work. I could also see this being for like a winter blend when your skin's really dry compared to a summer blend when you're sweating a lot and oily and maybe more acne prone. So maybe your skin type changes seasonally. It could be a seasonal blend, if you will. All right, so let me get my scent profiles ready here. So this one is called Dragon's Musk, and Dragon's Musk is orange blood, lavender, and patchouli. See what we've got here. Oh, I've got to open all of these things, guys. Okay, we're going to have a lot of edits here to get all of the packaging and the shrink wrap and all that stuff off of these. But anyway, this one is Dragon's Musk, citrus, spice, and musk. Yeah, that's what it smells like. Yeah, very nice citrus blend. Let's see what the oil looks like. Just a little, slightly off color, as you would expect. I got a little bit on my hands while ago when I had to pull off the shrink wrap there, and it seems to be pretty light. It goes away pretty quickly on that. So next up, we've got another, what do we do there? We did Dragon's Musk. Now we've got Warlock Spice. All right, and Warlock Spice is cinnamon leaf, eucalyptus, rosemary, and lemongrass. Yeah, very nice. Everything's just pleasant so far. Let's see what we've got next. We've got the Lumberjack's Wisdom. So that is your forest trees and mint. I love that this time of year. I'm not really big into woodsy scents, but this time of year when it's cold outside, got on my flannel shirt. Yeah, that's a nice one. And then got the nice little trio pack that he has. So let me show you what that looks like. You do this, you open it up, try to open it up. And there we go. It's a nice little trio. And in here we've got Iron Dram, Maple Leaves, and Gypsy Tabak. And that's interesting. The other ones that I opened had the dropper top, and then these have the, looks like it would be a restrictor top. But anyway, let me open these up and we'll take a look. All right, so here we go with the Maple Leaves, and that one is Sweet Maple Leaves. That sounds exactly like something I would like, and it does have the restrictor top on it. Sometimes it's hard to tell when it's got a restrictor top about what it smells like. Get out a couple drops. Oh yes, that's nice. That's, I think a lot of people might call it kind of on the woodsy side, but it's got a little bit of sweetness to it. I really like that one. That's a wonderful fall scent that's not food inspired. So if you like the fall maple leaf, sweet maple, sweet wood, which is one of my favorite scent profiles, you'll like that one. The next one is Gypsy Tabak. I hope I'm saying that right. Sweet tobacco, vanilla, and smoke. All right, let's see here. So all of these are kind of hearty scents to me. Nothing super duper dark, but they all are a really nice blend. And I'm gonna make a mess, but I gotta smell it. Oh yeah, that one's a little bit darker with the tobacco and a little bit of that smoke and the vanilla. I'll have to try that one out and see how it does in my beard. Try not to take too long on this. This one's called Iron Dram. I have no idea what that might be. Ooh, bourbon, caramel, and spice, guys. Man, this is exciting. Couple drops there, couple drops here. I'm gonna be smelling good today. Yeah, that one is nice too. A little bit more on the sweet, smooth side. Okay, man, this is excellent. And then let's see what else I've got in here. I see some more oils. Ooh, we'll see. What is this? So this is Lover's Garden, and this one is the oily skin formula. So, and then this one's got the pump topper. So I don't know if you get options of all of that. I'll make sure to do a little research. So I've seen the dropper top, I've seen the restrictor, and now I've got the pump top as well. And the Lover's Garden is sweet. Oops, wrong one. Sweet floral blend. Yeah, so a little bit floral, but not overly floral. A lot of times the floral scents I don't like at all, but that one's not bad. Let's see what else is in here. The thing keeps on going down in that box. Let's see. Ooh, Barista's Mocha. So this is another one that's oily skin formula, and obviously this one is a coffee scent. Vanilla Mocha. Oh yes, 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 yes. Very smooth coffee scent. Pretty authentic on the coffee scent, but it's definitely smooth and a little bit sweet, but I do get a little bit of that, you know, the real kind of boldish coffee, but it's not bitter at all. So that one might be a good one. We'll have to check and see. I think there's one more of these oils down in here. Let's see what we've got. Another oily blend is Gentleman's Dapper. And that one is sandalwood and cedarwood, so probably a little bit like a barbershop, if you will. Yeah, but not powdery at all. So sometimes sandalwood can smell real powdery. But man, overall, super impressed with all of this stuff. Be interested in trying out and experimenting around with the oily blend versus the dry, normal one. And there's a special little scent in here that is seasonal. And this one is called Jolly Beard. And this one's a nice orange spice. So not the Christmas scents can kind of be a couple different veins. This one is, yeah, the orange spice. I don't really smell clove if you're not a big, huge fan of that deep, dark clove scent. I'm not getting that. Just a nice orange spice scent, almost like some sort of drink that you would drink during the holidays. Okay. And we also have the matching balms in a lot of this. Ooh, and I got a nice little sticker and a guitar pick in there. You can never have too many guitar picks. So I got the Dragon's Bust, the Gentleman's Dapper, and I won't go through all of these, smell all of them. I'll smell one of them for you. Check it out. Lumberjack's Wisdom, Warlock Spice. I think that's it. Whew. Jared, thank you so much for sending out these for me to try for sure. And since I got on the flannel shirt, let's check out the Lumberjack's Wisdom, and then we'll end this thing. And we'll do some more detailed follow-up, talk to Jared, make sure I get all my facts and figures straight, giving you the price and some more information on these great products here. Ooh, wait a minute. It's got the rattle, so it's at least a medium. And it doesn't smell really waxy. It smells almost like the oil. So that's gonna be a good blend there. And I don't see the ingredients on here, but I know he gave them to me. It's on this sheet. Let me turn it over real quick. And the ingredients in the balm is beeswax. It says a mix of Michigan beeswax and refined beeswax, shea butter, mango butter, coconut oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, fractionated coconut oil, argan oil, and essential oil blend. All right, and that smells very, very smooth. It smells good, and it comes out like very smooth. Zero grit, goes right away. Yeah, that's nice. I need some beard balm. If you guys can't tell, I'll throw some in. Anyway, very impressed with everything from the presentation. Just kind of gets you excited when you see the box and the presentation on these, and just the high quality of the graphics design and the labeling and the packaging, and the nice dark bottles on this. You got the pump top bottle, you got the restrictor top, and you got the dropper top. You got beard balms, you got different kind of oils to match. You got a 365 day money back guarantee. I don't know what else you need, guys. Anyway, thank you to Jared for sending out the products from Renewed Man. Hope you guys enjoyed this big unboxing. I know I have really enjoyed it. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. We'll be doing a follow-up for sure in a few weeks. All right, thanks.